Welcome back to Spy Garage.
An important advancement in the recreational vehicle industry's adoption of electric vehicle technology is the 2025 BYD Motorhome Caravan. This car is set to revolutionize the idea of sustainable and opulent mobile life thanks to BYD's well-established knowledge of electric powertrains and battery technology. Aerodynamic efficiency and practical aesthetics are combined in the 2025 BYD Motorhome Caravan's external design. Important characteristics include properly crafted surfaces and curves reduce drag, improving stability and energy efficiency. Integrated solar panels. By adding extra electricity, optional roof-mounted solar panels increase a car's range and lessen its dependency on outside charging stations. Electric-friendly infrastructure. Convenient charging and power distribution are made possible by external power outlets and integrated charging connections. Modern lighting. LED lighting systems add to a modern style while offering effective illumination, performance, and powertrain. The 2025 BYD Motorhome Caravan's cutting-edge electric drivetrain is its main component and provides a number of benefits. Electric propulsion. Emission-free, silent, and smooth operation is made possible by electric motors and a large battery pack. Regenerative braking. This technology replenishes the battery and increases the vehicle's range by capturing kinetic energy during deceleration. Smart energy management. By optimizing power usage, an intelligent energy management system guarantees effective battery resource utilization. Range capabilities. Long-distance driving will be possible because to the vehicle's acceptable range. Inside and amenities. The 2025 BYD Motorhome Caravan's inside is furnished with the following amenities to create a cozy and opulent living area. Sustainable materials. BYD's dedication to sustainability is demonstrated by the interior's extensive use of eco-friendly materials and finishes. Integration of smart home technology. This technology enables remote control of entertainment, climate, and lighting systems. A thoughtfully planned arrangement makes the most of the available inside space and offers cozy lodging for prolonged trips. Cutting-edge infotainment systems that offer entertainment, navigation, and car information. Position in the market and factors to consider. Positioned as a high-end electric recreational vehicle, the 2025 BYD Motorhome Caravan appeals to eco-aware tourists looking for an opulent and sustainable vacation. Important things to think about are: one of the most important factors in the adoption of the car will be the availability of charging infrastructure. Vehicle performance and range will continue to be enhanced by ongoing developments in battery technology. The goal of this car is to reduce the carbon impact of its customers while offering a sustainable travel experience. Integration of technology. The 2025 BYD Motorhome Caravan is positioned as a frontrunner in its segment thanks to BYD's prowess in battery and electric vehicle technologies, incorporating cutting-edge technologies like improved safety and energy density are provided by BYD's well-known Blade battery technology. Intelligent driving assistance systems. Safety and convenience are improved by advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. The vehicle can power external gadgets thanks to its V2L capabilities, which adds convenience. Essentially, the 2025 BYD Motorhome Caravan offers a luxury and environmentally friendly travel experience by fusing electric car technology with recreational vehicle design.